crafty friends, it's Jenny from OrigamiTree bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we're going to be learning how to make a mini pleated message holder. So this message holder is kind of like an open envelope or folder. If you make it big enough, you can even fit a standard size business card or a gift card, which would be a great way to present a gift. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button to become a crafty friend, and let's jump right in. To make this adorable pleated message holder, you're going to need a square sheet of paper and also a strip of pattern paper. You'll need some tape, a mini note, and some ribbon to tie it all together. So now that we have everything, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to extend the length of the sheet of paper. So what that means is you're just going to take some tape and you're going to lay the white sheet of paper on top of your strip of paper like this. Put a piece of tape at the top to hold it together. And then put a piece of tape at the bottom as well. So now let's flip it around and tape down this middle section as well. Flip it around, and now we have a new sheet of origami paper. So now let's flip it around again, and we want to make sure that the pattern strip is facing the right side. We're going to fold the entire thing in thirds. Now you can get really technical and use a ruler, but I'm just going to eyeball it. So I'm going to fold this white strip on the left right about over here, and then bring this over. And that is just about a third. Crease it in, unfold, and now we're going to take the right side again and we're going to fold it over just like this. Now we want to center this pattern strip here. So this would be right about the center, so I'm going to flatten that and crease it in. So now let's unfold this left flap. And then we're going to take the crease that we just made, so we're going to flip it over, hold on to that crease that we just made, and then bring it up. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit. And so from the side, you can see there's a little zigzag that we just made. So now we have our pleat. Flip it around, fold the top down, and then fold the bottom back up. And now we have sort of the illusion of having 1, 2, 3 pleats, where the last one is the pattern stripe down the middle. So now let's flip everything around again. And we're going to fold the bottom up. Doesn't really matter how much you fold it up. If you fold it up more, you're going to have a shorter letter holder. If you fold it up less, it's going to be longer. So I want it to be about the same length as, or height as this one. I'm going to fold that. Just make sure that they overlap. So this flap here overlaps with this one. And then we're just going to slip one into the other. So I'm going to open that up. Slip that inside to lock it shut. Flip it around. So now you have something that looks like this. You're going to take a mini message and you have two options. You can either slip it in here, this first slot, like that, or you can slip it in underneath the pattern. And I like it this way because you can see the pleats on the right side, and that's why we made the pleats, right? So we can see it. And then you're going to take a ribbon and tie a bow right at the center. And now your pleated message holder is complete. Thanks for watching and for being a crafty friend. If you haven't already, be sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on those notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. Please check out some of my other similar tutorials as well. I have another gift card holder and also pop-up cards and things like that. I'll leave the link in the video description so you can just hit that playlist. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!